Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Hasura login issues, console and permission errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login issues with Hasura, the first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to a stable network. Next, verify your Hasura instance is up and running. You can do this by checking the status in your terminal or server dashboard. If the instance is active, confirm that the URL you are using is correct. Double-check for any typos or incorrect formats in the URL. Now, let's take a look at your login credentials. Ensure that the username and password you are entering are correct. If you are using an authentication provider, double-check that your tokens are valid. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any stored errors. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. If you're still encountering issues, navigate to Hasura's console logs. Look for any error messages that might indicate a permission issue. Make sure that your user role is correctly configured in Hasura. Check your GraphQL API permissions to ensure that they match your user role. If permissions seem fine, try resetting your password to rule out any credential issues. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve unexpected errors. If you're still unable to log in, consider updating your Hasura instance. Running the latest version may fix known bugs or issues. Should the problem persist, consult Hasura's documentation for troubleshooting tips. If all else fails, reach out to Hasura's community support for further assistance. Document any specific error messages you encounter to provide context when asking for help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.